Good morning, children. I, Tapas, are going to teach literature lesson number 12, Wishes Fulfilled. Wishes Fulfilled to Standard 4 students. This story is written by Rabindranath Tagore. This story is based on father and his son, how they were fed up of their life and wished to exchange their life. Father will become son and son will become father. They prayed to God to change their life, and how after getting a new life, how they got many problems, and then they prayed again to God that please change us to as we used to be in their natural form. So this is about the story. Let's start the story. Subal Chandra has a son named Sushil Chandra. Sushil is not a well-behaved boy, and he goes around annoying all the people of the neighborhood. But his father Subal is old and arthritic. Subal Chandra, a person who had a son named Sushil Chandra. Sushil was very bad-mannered child. He always create all type of problems in the neighborhood where they used to stay. People were fed up of him, and Subal could not do anything because he was suffering from arthritis. Arthritis means joint problem, bone problem, so he could not run after him to catch him. So he used to shout and to say his son, please don't do this type of nonsense. But he discovered his father and he created all type of nonsense thing in the society where they live. One morning Sushil came. He has a stomach pain and can't go to school. Knowing Sushil's trick, Subal led him that he will have to cancel his plan with his friend and will drink medicine instead of eating toffees. Sushil claimed that his stomach ache is over, but Subal refused to hear it and locked the boy in his room. One morning, Sushil told his father that, Father, I am having stomach ache, so I cannot go to school. Then Subal knows his son's trick. He went and brought some medicine and told to him, you can have this medicine. If you will have this medicine, then only will. If you want medicine, then I will not give you any toffee. If you want toffee, please go to school. Then Sushil told that father, please give me these toffees. I don't have any more stomach ache. It is over now. Then Subal told that you will stay in this room whole day if you will not go to school. Then he locked the room from outside and Subal went away. While in his room, Sushil wishes to himself that he were grown up like his father, so that he had the independence to do whatever he wanted. On the other side, Subal sitting alone wishes to himself he was young like his son, so that he would spend all day and all night studying. Now, when Sushil was in the room crying, he prayed to God, please God help me to make me grown up person like my father, so that independently I can do whatever I like. Now I have to take permission from my father. In the other room, Subal was praying to God that Father Almighty, please take away all my pain and make me young boy, so that I will use the whole day in study. That evening the goddess of desire came and granted the two their wishes. Subal wake up as a small boy. Sushil wake up as an old man with grey beard. Sushil tries to play games like climbing tree, but finds it too difficult for his old bones, and is laughed at by passersby when as an old man he fell from a branch. Now that evening the god of desire came and blessed both father and the son that you will get the wish fulfilled what you want. Next morning when they got up, Subal, Subal became a young boy and Sushil became a grown-up man like his father. But Sushil, as he grown up, he was old. He was having a person of who is over age old, and Subal has changed into a small boy like his son. Subal being his nature of running here and there, so Sushil being having a nature of running here and there, creating all type of problem to the neighbors. He, in that old body, he went and climbed a tree, and he was finding difficult to climb because now he has grown too old and it is not possible for an old man to climb quickly to a tree. While doing so, he fell from one of the branches, and when people saw him that in this old age how this man is climbing the tree, and he fell and everybody laughed at him. But nobody knew that it is not Subal, it is actually Sushil who has been changed by the god of desire. Subal, on the other hand, claimed that he can't go to school on account of stomachache. Sushil had used that excuse too recently to accept it as the truth. So Subal goes to school. Sushil is annoyed by the noise he was making. So he sits Subal and down with a tutor to work on math until late at night. Now Subal changed into Sushil. As Sushil nature was not interest to go to school, like Subal also told, I am having stomachache, I will not go to school. Now Sushil has changed into Subal. Now he is saying, I know you are simply making excuses, I will not let you to do so, you will have to go to school. Then Subal started to shout like a small child. Sushil told, okay, I am telling a tutor to teach you math so that you will sit at home and you will read. Sushil came Subal stick to the same diet that Subal had as an old man. Now Sushil brought the food to his father, Subal. Now Subal is a small boy. He told, please have this food. Because Sushil knew that my father used to give me this food. Now I will give him this food to eat. Sushil find himself in pain from rheumatism and keep medical help, but hurt himself any time. Subal also forgot his age and asked the schoolmaster for some tobacco. Now Sushil, having, as I told you, arthritic problem is bone problem, joint problem, that is called rheumatism. As Sushil was suffering from rheumatism now in that old age, but he used to run here and there and he used to get all type of problem, because now he is old, he cannot run, he cannot move quickly as he used to do in his young age, but he forgot that he has become an old man now. And on the other hand, Subal, his father, has changed into a small boy. He went to school. While his teacher was teaching him, he told, teacher, can you give some tobacco? He forgot that he is a small boy, he cannot ask tobacco to the teacher. Eventually the two get fed up and start to wish that they were their original age again. The goddess of desire visited them and asked they have got what they wanted. The night she makes Sushil young again and Subal old again. Next day, Subal asked if Sushil is learning his grammar. A perplexed Sushil says he seems to have lost his book. Now, both of them were fed up of their life. Now, in the evening when they came back to their home, both father and son prayed to God, God of desire. God, please help us to change back to our original form. Subal told, now make me old again, and Sushil told, make me young boy again. I don't want to have this type of life. what we had before, we are happy with that. Then goddess of desire told that you are happy with what you are having today. But they know we don't want to have the life what we have now. We want our previous life. Then once again the goddess blessed them. They changed to their original life. And next day when they got up, Subal as usual father went to his son's room and told, "Are you reading?" Then Sushil as usual, a cheater, used to cheat. He told to his father, "Father, I think I have lost my book, so I cannot read now." That life went on as he used to have before. So this is about the story that we should be happy with what we have. God has made us thinking a particular thing about us. He has made us. So we should be satisfied, we should be contented, we should be happy with our life. Rather claiming that other have, we will have that type of life. It is better to enjoy the life what you have, then only you will enjoy the beauty of this life. Thank you children. Have a good day. God bless you.